Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making whipped potatoes. These light and fluffy whipped potatoes are absolutely a game changer. So for our ingredients, we have potatoes, warm whole milk, unsalted butter, and salt. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to add our potatoes to a large pot, and we're going to cover it with cold water. Next, we're going to allow them to soak for 10 minutes. And then you want to drain the starchy water and add cold water until your potatoes are covered. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring our water to a boil, and we're going to boil anywhere from 18 to 22 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and easy to separate with a fork. Next, we're going to drain our water and transfer our hot potatoes to a large bowl. You can use a stand mixer to whip your potatoes, but here I'm going to use my hand mixer to whip my potatoes. You want to turn the mixer on low and add your milk, a quarter cup at a time. You want to mix until all the milk has been added. Next, we're going to increase our speed and we're going to add our butter. We're going to whip it in. My potatoes are still warm, so it's melting the butter as I'm mixing it. Here I'm adding my other stick of butter, and now I'm adding my salt, and we're just going to whip that together. I like my potatoes to have a little bit of whole potato chunks in it. That's how I like mine, and they were delicious. Buttery and just the right amount of salt. Then, once our potatoes are finished whipping to your liking, we're going to turn off our mixer. We're going to transfer our whipped potatoes to a serving bowl, and we're going to serve our potatoes warm. So here are our potatoes. They were delicious. We served them with some gravy and some fried pork chop, which you'll be seeing those videos later. We have made whipped potatoes, and I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby.